In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a business loan in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a clean liability account set up so you can track the principal you owe and keep your balance sheet accurate. First, open QuickBooks online and sign in to your company. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the upper right-hand side of the screen. Click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where you'll find company-level tools and lists that control how your books are organized. In the Settings menu, go to the Your Company section and choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is your master list of all the accounts QuickBooks uses to categorize assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. To add the loan, we'll create a new liability account. Click the New or New Account button. A setup panel will appear for the new account. In the account name field, type Business Loan. Use a clear name you'll recognize later. If it helps you stay organized, you can include the lender's name in the title, but keep it concise so reports remain easy to read. Next, open the Account Type menu and select Non-Current Liabilities. Choose this because a business loan typically spans more than 12 months and long-term debts belong in this category. This keeps your short-term and long-term obligations clearly separated on your balance sheet. Then, open the Detail Type menu and select Other Non-Current Liabilities. This generic detail suits most standard business loans. It tells QuickBooks how to group and present the account in reports without changing how you'll use it day to day. Now, enter the unpaid balance. This is the principal you still owe on the loan as of a specific date. If you're bringing this loan in from a prior bookkeeping system, enter the remaining principal as of your QuickBooks start date. If the loan is brand new and you haven't made any payments yet, enter the full principal amount you owe. Right below that, set the date that matches the balance you just entered. The balance and date work together, so make sure they reflect the same point in time. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks adds the business loan account to your chart of accounts, and you'll now see it on your balance sheet under long-term liabilities. From here, you'll use this account when you record loan-related transactions, ensuring payments reduce principal correctly while interest is tracked separately in an expense account. That's it. You've set up your business loan in QuickBooks the right way, laying the groundwork for accurate, reliable financials.